Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of plait on the middle. Now take another part of hair and then tie it in the form of plaits again. Repeat the same process of tying plaits in layers. Make 5 to 6 such plaits. Now take hair from the back side of your hair and try making it in the form of plaits, including plait on the sides as well, just like this. Be very consistent, slow, and perseverance is the key. Otherwise, you won't get the desired results. Keep trying to have pigtail as if it was in a dreamland. It will give you a Cinderella look. It is done. Take your hair, divide it into two parts from the above. Now take one part and try forming pigtails out of them by taking few strands of hair from the sides, corner, middle as well. When you are done tying the plaited parts, remove the other part as well and try forming again into plaits. The plaited parts are a part of the thing which you just can make very easily. Now when you are done making the plait, attach both of them together, roll it upwards, and then you are done. Take your hair, give it a circular look. Now tie it with the help of a rubber band. Then take out both the parts of the hair and then try making it in the form of plaits. These kind of hairstyles may prove to be very risky and difficult, but it gives you a very desired and beautiful look at the end. Be consistent in your work and be patient while making plaits out of them. When you are done making the plaits from the sides as well, take it and attach it with the side ponytail. Take your hair, divide it into two parts. One part should consist of more hair, the other should consist of 4 parts. Make plaits and then you are done. Divide your hair into 4 parts. The upper 2 parts should be made in the form of simpler plaits. Simpler plaits in the sense small sections of hair should be taken from every side and get attached to the upper, lower and the middle section of the hair by taking fingers from the middle. Now when you are done making the plaits from the above side, take hair from below side as well and start making plaits out of it. The plait should be very consistent. When you are done making the plait, give it a fluffy look and then you are done. Take your hair, divide it into 3 consecutive parts from one side, make plaits with the middle section of the partition and then attach the above side with that plaited section and tie it in the form of a ponytail. Thank you for watching.